Hi, I'm Cyndi Lee, and I've been teaching yoga since 1978, and I've been teaching teacher trainings since 1997. I'd like to offer you a restorative yoga teacher training online right here at Yoga International's website. This restorative teacher training will give you all the skills and understanding that you need to teach restorative yoga. If you've ever done restorative yoga, it might look like it's just lying about on pillows, but there are principles, there's alignment, there is the role of the teacher, there is learning how to look at different bodies, sizes, shapes, and abilities, and how to work with all different people from almost no props to maximum props. In restorative yoga teacher training, you'll learn the principles of how to help your students really relax. You'll also learn how to sequence a class for energizing and to sequence a class for quieting. And you'll learn the principles of that so that you'll be able to make up your own classes. You'll learn how to work with private clients, and you'll learn how to encourage people to do this practice at home so that your students can really have a holistic experience of yoga and get the benefits no matter who they are. And at the end of the training, you'll receive a certificate of completion for the restorative yoga teacher training and have the confidence to go teach restorative yoga in any situation, in any studio.